All right, here is my milk experiment. So, what I have done is I have put some milk that has gone bad in the tray. I've also added some baking soda. I have I have some water here. I also have some dish soap. I have some vinegar. So now what we're going to do is I am going to dip some of the vinegar and soap, maybe the water. We'll see if we need it or not, but we're just going to see what happens when I do this. So right now I am going to take the soap. I've just dipped my cotton ball in the soap, and we're going to see what happens when I put the Q-tip into the color. I've added the color, and the color that you see are drops of food coloring that I've put in. And I've got the fan on, so it's kind of blowing everything a little bit, but we're just going to see the results of what happens. It's kind of making everything move around. And that's the effect you get from the soap. So that's what's happening when I put the soap into the mixture. It's just coming up with all those colors. It's a lot cooler in person. Right now, we're going to try the vinegar and see what happens with the vinegar. So this is the vinegar. We're going to see what happens with the vinegar. Not quite the same effect. I do have a little bit of baking soda in the bottom, so it might not be doing the same, but that's the whole reason for this experiment, to see how it reacts. So I think what I'll try is I will try to add the soap as well with it and see what happens. And this is the one with the vinegar, so when I put the vinegar in, it doesn't have quite the same response as the other one did. But it still is. So what you do is you just keep dipping your... It's going now. It seems to be working a little better now. But you just dip your Q-tip into the soap, and then you just place it onto the spot. And it kind of just does its own little magic there. It's just really cool to watch. It's just really mesmerizing, I think. And what you can also do, I'm going to take some paper and I'm going to actually dip the paper into here to see what kind of results we get. I will be right back. I just got to get some paper. So right now I'm going to put the fan on it a little bit to see if it'll kind of blow it around a little bit. Alright, so I have some paper. I'm going to put some paper in here. So what happened, the reason I'm doing this experiment is that I actually had some milk and I poured the milk into my coffee and it curdled. So that is the best milk to use, is the milk that's gone a little bit sour. I don't know, you could try buttermilk, I guess, but that'd be pretty expensive. So if you just wait for your milk to go sour, then that's all you need to do. Right now I'm taking a piece of paper and we're gonna just dip it in. Let all the color get on the paper. And then now I have the paper with all the design on it. So we'll do a couple of those. We'll do another one. That's kind of a really cool design, if you can see it. It's kind of cool. So we will do another one. You just have to lift it up. That's what it looks like. Not quite as nice. If you mix the colors start to go gray. So we'll add some more, maybe we'll add some more color to it. So all you do for the color is you just take your food coloring and you just put squirts of food coloring in where you want it. You can do it however you want to. I'm going to add a little bit more red to it too. I know it's going to make it murky, but we'll see what kind of effects we can get. And maybe I'll add some more blue. I really like the bright colors. I don't like the gray too much, and what you can do is after it gets too murky, if you don't like the color, what you can do is you can dump this and you can start all over again. I have a whole 1 liter bag of milk that I can do this with. So now I've got my Q-tip. I dunked it both in the vinegar and the dish soap, so we'll see what happens. Oh, it just dropped. See, I just had to put a drop in there and that happened, so we'll just see. And it's not going to give you the same effect because the milk is actually a murky color now, but you can kind of see what is happening. And you can make it, you can do whatever designs you want. And there. So that is my experiment. It didn't work as well as I wanted it to with the vinegar being in there. But that's what experiments are for. You learn every time you do something, right? So it's just really cool to watch. Just because it's doing it on its own. And thank you for watching my video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I know it's not the best one, but I just thought I'd share it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye for now.